Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Spain, a country where the past and the present converge in a symphony of culture, art, and gastronomy. From the vibrant streets of Bilbao to the architectural masterpiece that is Sagrada Familia, Spain offers a journey that captivates, inspires, and delights. Bask in the glory of Bilbao, a city that pulsates with life, art, and culinary delights. The Guggenheim Museum, designed by the visionary Frank Gehry, stands as a testament to the city's love for modern art. Its stunning architecture, alongside its impressive collection of contemporary art, beckons art enthusiasts and curious minds alike. From Bilbao, we whisk away to the heart of Quito, Ecuador, to the neighborhood of La Ronda. Here, the rhythm of life slows down, as cobblestone streets lead you to a world steeped in colonial charm. Vibrant buildings add a splash of color to the old-world charm, while live music and dance performances breathe life into the neighborhood. And of course, the local cafes and restaurants offer a culinary journey that's as delightful as the locale itself. Our journey culminates at the Sagrada Familia, a basilica in Barcelona that stands as a testament to the genius of Antoni Gaudí. This architectural marvel, still a work in progress, is a riot of intricate facades, stained glass windows, and towering spires. A visit to Sagrada Familia is not merely a sightseeing tour, it's an experience that indulges all your senses. And so we conclude our journey through the captivating landscapes of Spain. From the vibrant city of Bilbao, the quaint charm of La Ronda, to the monumental Sagrada Familia, we've traversed a world that's as diverse as it is beautiful. Remember to engage with us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel for more travel inspirations. Gracias and hasta luego! On this journey, we've not just traveled through places, we've traversed experiences, and in Spain, every experience is a story waiting to be told.